Hey everyone and welcome back to CryptoScores. Today we are looking at a metric that gets the heart of whether a DeFi protocol is actually generating revenue, the fees 7 days versus 30 days indicator. This one compares recent fee activity to the monthly average and it tells you something fundamental. Is this protocol being used more or less? So what is this? Every time someone uses a DeFi protocol, a swap, a loan, a trade, the protocol collects transaction fees. This metric compares the average fees generated over the last 7 days to the average fees over the last 30 days. Think of it like a company's revenue trend. If the 7-day average is higher than the 30-day average, it means activity is growing. More people are using the protocol, more transactions are happening, more fees are being generated. If the 7-day average is lower, activity is slowing down. And this is a crucial complement to the TVL we have already covered. TVL shows you how much capital is sitting in a protocol, but capital can be locked and doing nothing. Fees show you what's actually happening, real usage, real transactions, real income for the protocol. A protocol can have a massive TVL but declining fees. The money is parked for sure, but nobody's actually using the platform. At the contrary, a protocol with growing fees is a protocol that is alive, that people are choosing to use day after day. That's a much stronger signal. So think of TVL as the deposits in a bank and fees as the bank's actual revenue. Both matter, but revenue growth tells you the business is healthy. So let's take a look at Aavi. When you click on opportunity, you can see the opportunity score at 99 over 100. And when we scroll down, we can see the fees 7 days versus 30 days. The score is at plus 0.35%. Essentially flat. The 7-day average is almost exactly in line with the 30-day average. Activity is consistent. People are using the protocol at a steady rate, no spike, no decline, just a reliable working DeFi platform generating constant fees. For a lending protocol as established as Aavi, that's exactly what you want to see. Now if we take a look at Ethereum with the same opportunity score, the fees 7 days versus 30 days is minus 8.26%. The recent fee activity is noticeably lower than the monthly average. That means fewer transactions over the past week compared to the broader trend. Less activity, less revenue being generated. Does that mean Ethereum is in trouble? Not necessarily. Fee activity actually fluctuates with market conditions, gas prices, and user behavior. But it's a signal worth monitoring. If this decline continues over the coming weeks, it could indicate a shift in where users are transacting, maybe migrating to lower, maybe migrating to layer 2s or competing chains. The metric is giving you an early read on that trend. And when you click on this metric on CryptoScores, just over there, it takes you directly to the project's transaction fee page on DeFi Llama. And once you're there, you can go much deeper. You can view fees broken down by chain, see which blockchain is generating the most activity for the protocol. For example, with Aavi, we have a lot of metrics and we can view fees by protocol version. If a project has multiple versions deployed, you can see which one is actually driving the revenue. This level of detail lets you understand not just whether fees are growing, but where and how they are growing. So use this metric alongside TVL to get the full DeFi picture. TVL tells you how much money is locked, fees tell you how much of that money is actually working. Growing fees on top of growing TVL, that's a protocol firing on all cylinders. Growing TVL but declining fees, the money is there but the activity isn't. And that's a question worth answering before you invest. As always, you are the analyst. CryptoScores gives you the signal, DeFi Llama gives you the deep dive. Go check the fee breakdown by chain, by version, and form your own view. Fees 7 days versus 30 days, the real revenue pulse of a DeFi protocol. Check it on cryptoscores.com and we will see you there in the next one.